Hey ninjas! Today, let's see how to model with textures for any format. First, let me import my .obj file. Let's scale it down a bit and adjust the position. Now, I'm gonna add a quick partition. Time to jump into the shader editor. Select the principled BSDF, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus T. Now choose all your textures, just like we did in our PBR workflow from earlier videos. Boom! Textures connected, looking clean. Now, go to Preferences, open Add-ons, and make sure to enable the Import-Export options. Once that's done, next time you hit Import, you'll see options for .3ds, AutoCAD, and more ready to go. Thanks for watching, ninjas. Keep improving.